Hello again. Right, today I'm going to cover, like I mentioned in the last video, a joint system which I'm still playing with, still working on, still seeing where it can go and what it can do. I call it an omnidirectional joint because it can go any direction, more directions. In principle, it starts off with a dowel. Now, we make a dowel, as you know. You don't go buy them because we want them the size we want them. We make it with either a bull nose or a round over bit. Now with a bull nose, you can tend to do it with 2 passes. With a round over, you've got to make 4 passes. You start off with a square piece of wood, the size of the piece you're going to be using, the bit you're going to be using. And then, an inverted bull nose. One that fits your bull nose perfect. Now many don't. They're not, depending on the manufacturers. Make sure you get them that do actually fit. They need to knuckle together. Like we have there. You need them to knuckle together. If they don't, it's not going to work. Now I don't need to show you how to do it. You've done all this lot now. We've got there on that bit. What we need to do now is have a look at the principle of how these joints work. We take out the curve, we make the dowel and another curve, and that can then move in the joint. Now if you was to sand off one edge, as you've seen there, I've sanded off that edge, it's not protruding as much as that one. Same with this one, I have sanded off that edge, so the bottoms are sanded off. That means that one direction it stops there. We don't get a great angle, but that might be what you want. The other way we can go, so we get a much stronger angle. And you can sand off more to take it tighter and tighter. And you go around in your circle shape. Or the other one where we can just put both profiles onto one piece of wood. Thus. These, you're getting a little bit more of an awkward shape on the joint. It's not as smooth a transition, a tighter fit. But you've still got plenty of glue area and you can get round corners in these directions with reasonable ease. Bunch up here and I can form a complete circle with this, like that. Now as you can see, lots of movement until I clamp it down tight, but you can get the angles you want, the shape you want beforehand. Now on these ones I haven't sanded the inner joints, which if you want to get a tighter, smoother joint, you sand the inner ones and you get a nice closing up on it to the right angle. But you can see there is possibilities for such an application. Now I want to talk about raised panels. We've already done tongue and groove. Tongue and groove is the foundation of raised panels. The basics for, say, shaker doughs, they're all just tongue and groove. If you want to go for moulded ones, come to that later. But to start with, we just want a basic shaker dough. So you get a groove, rebate that you've already done with the rebating bit, and a panel that fits inside it. Mine to the corners, go in a box. You've done it. Hey, pretty much that is it. But we want to take that a little bit further. And we want to make a panel that's not shaker. And go for something with a little bit of style. A little bit of character to it. But still, we're keeping with the tongue and groove. Now your end styles that'll have the grooves on it have a tongue on the end. So it's still the same setup. Now admittedly, going out and buying a set can prove to be a little expensive. If you've already got the tongue and groove set, so much the better. But if you haven't, you don't need to worry. Standard grooving bits come with most budget sets, so you will have sets like this, and we can do it all with that. your raised panel. Again, you don't need loads of fancy expensive bits. You do it with a simple inverted bung nose. And that's all it is. So, there is your economy panel door kit. Now let's give it a try and see how it works. This is what I've got, and this is what I want to make. Two rails, three styles, two panels. Everything's too big, is how you want it. Okay, what we'll do first is, forget them, put them to one side. These ones, we need a rebate on that one, on that one, on that one, on that one, and on both sides of that one. Okay, so next we want to determine which is top and which is bottom, so that we don't, if there is a millimetre out on your settings, it's all on the same one and we don't have to worry about it. So place them all back as you want, in order, and then put a little mark on the top of every one. Different to the one you've just put on the cross where you want them. Okay, next thing we do is determine where the centre of this rebate is going to be. So find out how big your timber is. 18mm. And there we've got 6mm. 6, 18. We want the middle. So there'll be 6mm either side. So you've got the 6mm on the bottom of that, the 6mm of that, so the top of that wants to be 12mm. Set this now, zero it out first, and set it to 12mm. 11.95, I'm not going to get more accurate than that. Okay, and then we bring this down to what we want. That is now set, that is now set. I didn't pop these up. And so on. Lock that off. It is. Okay, find a scrap that's the same. Perfect. Let's run a test piece. Now the test piece wants to fit this, because that's the size we're working on. Lovely fit. Perfect. Yep, right, that's what we're after. So, run all the pieces now through as we need them. Top, base. Okay, now we're going to do the ends of these. These two don't need touching, they're done, they're finished. These three do. Get them all the right way up again, that's it. And the way in which we do that is we need that shoulder there replicating on the bottom. So we've got there 5.6, and that's what we want. So set your gauge to 5.6 as close as you can. There's 5.45, as close to the first pass. And we shall take it down to that. Right, I want to come up half a millimetre. So it's a quarter turn on this. Just half a millimetre. We want this feather in the centre, and as you can see there, I have got a very fine bit there. So it's just both sides, and that's a compensator. So now we use this one as a sample. Right, what I'm seeing here now is on the top, the setting that we've got on there now is correct, but for the bottom, we want that half mil taking back off again. Because we've got a little bit of movement in there. So, run all of them through doing the tops, and then we'll add that half mil back. Sorry, we'll take the half mil back off again, and then we'll be back on correct. Okay, I've now reset it. I'm now going to run one through and then test it and just make sure it's right. And I should go on a test piece, but well, it's far too close to even care. If it's wrong, the glue will fill it up anyway. So try the first one and then test it and run the rest through straight away. Okay, now let's have a quick look. There's the tops, top. Okay, this one wants to go into this end here. Middle one. Up to the middle. And there you have one frame ready. Now From that, we can take a standard piece of 6mm ply, cut out 2 squares, drop them in, and you've got a shaker panel door. That's it. You can leave the centre one out. And put a bigger board in. And again, shaker style, standard. But what we want to do is go with a bigger panel and put in a raised panel piece. So next we have to make that. Rebating now finished. Now we can remove the rebating bit and put in the inverted bun nose. By God, the time. Right, I think that's enough for today. Let's leave this, go get some dinner and come back again tomorrow. Right, well, once again, thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please just put a like in the box there. I know I'm going the right way, and I'll keep it coming. But other than that, see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.